Woohoo, more ransomware. That's always exciting. This time it's Pewdiepie that's to blame, or T-Series. I think it's T-Series to blame because they're the ones catching up in terms of sub count. For those who are not citizens of the internet, there is a really big crisis in the world right now. No, it's not the one in Syria, it's not Brexit. It's the fact that Pewdiepie might lose his position as the world's largest YouTube channel to the evil corporate T-Series. They're both really close. We have 86 million versus 86 million. The difference is literally down to 34,000, so it's pretty close. In response, a lot of PewDiePie's allies, many of whom are hackers, have put out various campaigns to force people essentially to subscribe to PewDiePie, keep his numbers going up. I'm not surprised by their efforts, given even people like Jordan Peterson have given him a shout out for some reason. It's an internet meme now. You have subscribed to PewDiePie. I don't know. A few months ago, Hacker Giraffe actually managed to print out that message on hacked printers, exposing a vulnerability. This time, it's much more direct with ransomware. It seems from the clear description of it, it's not really malicious because the author does tell you what it does, but it is ransomware nonetheless, and we will take a look at it. The interesting thing about Pewcrypt is that it's only picked up by 2 engines in VARs total for some reason. So no AVs picked it up. CrowdStrike Falcon, even though it appears that they've picked it up, it was definitely added by manual intervention because on last analysis it was at 0 out of 69, and the MCSoft signature is obviously the one I've added. So we could see more ransomware modeled after this. I'm guessing part of the reason is this code is entirely written in Java, so that adds another layer of kind of obfuscation because it'll be running in the JVM. So if you actually look for strings, you're not going to find a lot. But without further ado, let's actually run Pewcrypt, and I guess you guys will enjoy the show. We do have some important data that we want to protect from Pewdiepie and his shenanigans. Let's see if Windows is up to the task. Apparently not. No surprise. Pretty cool GUI. It gives you a live sub count as well. Your files have been encrypted using AES-256. In order to get your files back, read the instructions below, and the instructions are quite straightforward. Subscribe to Pewdiepie. Hint, hit the pro fist. And this just directly takes us to the channel. Step 2. Wait until Pewdiepie reaches 100 million subs, at which point a decryption tool will be released. But here's the catch. If T-Series beats Pewdiepie, the private key will be deleted and your file's gone forever. I don't know if this is a joke or if it actually means to do it. He or she, that is. Hopefully not, because it is entirely possible to get systems infected by this, whether intentionally or not. If we try to open one of these files, as you can see, the data is messed up, so it's not just changing extensions. Now, if we go back to the Reddit post, it says, if you accidentally F yourself over, keep the AES key file that's generated and start subbing. That's quite serious. So I hope nobody actually gets infected because it looks like it would really act like ransomware in that case. And I can totally see some script kiddies or just about anybody grabbing these files, making a few modifications, and just distributing it using malicious attack vectors. So watch out for this. Pewdiepie might just be your undoing. He is beating T-Series, but he doesn't have to destroy your files in the process. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Someone actually messaged me about the Reddit post, and that's how I came to know about this ransomware. So if you have any interesting threats that you would like me to look at or analyze, feel free to get in touch with me at thepcsecuritychannel.com. Please like and share if you enjoy my content. Don't forget to subscribe to the PC Security channel. We're not even at 86,000 subscribers. So yeah, please help me get those numbers up before I end up making a ransomware for just the same purpose. And as always, stay informed, stay secure.